acceleration. Black to white, the colors aren't on their minds. Nothing predefined. There's always one who plants an evil seed and reaches here to pull you to the other side, into a world of lies. Everything is unsure when you've lost your sight. Can it still be pure? What made you this way? Tell me now. Who taught you how to hate? Has an innocent in your blood, not a part of what you're made. So let this be understood. Somebody taught you how to hate. When you live this way you become dead to everyone. You're not anyone. Lost all innocence, infected and arrogant, you burn all your life. Looking indifference, consumed by the pestilence of hate. You're denied. Deep in your heart, does it still remain? Do you think you can bring it back to life again? Is it still in your soul? Where's the TV and the unholy revenant that has made you this way? Made you fall by this hate. Tell me now, who taught you how to hate? Because it isn't in your blood, not a part of what you're made. So let this be understood. Somebody taught you how to hate. When you live this way you become. Tell me now, who taught you how to hate? Cause it isn't in your blood, not a part of what you're made. So let this be understood. Somebody taught you how to hate. When you live this way you become dead to everyone. You're not anyone. I hear the voices echoing around me, angered eyes that don't even know who I am, looking to kill again. As the unknown enemies surround me, wicked laughter resonates inside my head, and I am filled with dread. In the dread of death. What did I do? Why do I deserve this? So indifferent, why do I deserve to die?